How to implement a character selection system in Unity. Let's go! Suppose you have multiple characters in your game, and you want to select one by clicking a button. First, place all characters at display point in your scene. Disable all of them except the first one. Right-click in the hierarchy, go to UI, and create an image. This will serve as one of the buttons for switching characters. Assign a desired sprite to the image, and adjust its position and size in the scene view. Duplicate this image to create the opposite button. Next, select a button for confirming the character selection. Now, we need to set up this logic. When a navigation button is clicked, all characters should be disabled, and the next character should be activated. To see this manually, deactivate all characters and then activate the next one in sequence. Create a new script called select character and attach it to a game object named select character. In a script, define a public game object array called character to store all your character game objects. Remove the default start and update voids as they are not needed. Define a new void called change character. Add an integer parameter called num to the change character void. At the top of the script, define a public integer variable called number to track the current character index. Inside the change character void, write a for loop that iterates through the character array and disable all characters. If you are unfamiliar with arrays, check out my array tutorial on the channel for more details. Increment the number variable by the num parameter passed to the void. Why do we use the num parameter? To make the code reusable for both buttons, we use num to increase the index for the right button or decrease it for the left button, keeping the script concise. Add a condition. If number exceeds the length of the character array, set number to 0 to loop back to the first character. If number becomes less than 0, set number to the last index of the array. Finally, enable the character at index number in the character array. In Unity, select both navigation buttons and ensure they have a button component. Click the plus button on the onClick event and assign the select character game object. In the onClick function dropdown, select the select character script, choose the change character void, and set the parameter to 1 for the right button. Repeat for the left button, but set the parameter to -1. Select the select character game object. Lock the inspector to keep it visible. Then drag all character game objects into the characters array in the inspector. Here's the result. Clicking the buttons switches between characters. However, you might notice an error after the last character. This error occurs because arrays are 0-based and indices start at 0. But our number variable is equal to the array's length. Since there is no element at index 5, it causes an error. To fix this, modify the condition in the script. Decrease character's length by 1, ensuring it loops correctly. Now you can select any character without issues. Optionally, to enhance the visual focus on the selected character, use a global volume with the depth of field override in URP projects. This blurs the background, keeping the character in the sharp focus. Don't forget to like and subscribe us. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.